Yes, sir. It's your boy back with another video, man. So as of today, man, we got a little headache situation, man. I don't know if y'all see this hanging out like this, man. So what we gonna do is today, man, we're going to, you know what I'm saying, take all the material down and put new material up on the headliner, man.
I do what I want, say what I feel, make it surprise. I put that on everything. Only one hating is niggas half stepping that get in your way. Say, and I put that on.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is, man. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Dum 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 dum. Man, I wish I had a cameraman so y'all can see what I have to do to get the headliner out of the coupe. Now I'm in the coupe, y'all. Y'all know how big the headliner is in here. Just gotta remember how I took it out. You know what I'm saying? Back in first. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna spin this camera and let y'all check it out. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see that, man? The crazy part is, man, 2012 Honda Accord two-door coupe. All the tools you need to remove the headliner. You need a longer Phillips screwdriver. You're gonna need a short Phillips screwdriver for back here. And you're also going to need a flathead screwdriver. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna strip this off. We're gonna peel this all off, man. We're gonna clean this up and we're gonna get to it, man. Yes, sir. So like I said, man, I'm gonna strip all the material off now and you know, get to scraping some of this old glue and everything off. You know what I'm saying? Do that. And then also, you know what I'm saying, go to the next step. So make sure y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So, man, I got the first half side done with the material on and glued. And, man, we just been rolling. So I'm going to spin this camera around, let y'all check out the side of the half that I do got. Y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it.
3 hours later.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it? So I got this half back here, all done. Y'all see it, man? You know what I'm saying? Feel that? So what I've been doing is just rolling. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure the material and the adhesive is laid flatly and all that, man. Yeah. Y'all see it, man. Might have to go ahead and do my dash. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all don't know I do certain things, but man, I get to it. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. So now we're gonna let this cake up some. And you see my line is here. We're gonna go ahead, pull this back, you know what I'm saying, and get to this side here, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Y'all see what it is, man. Yes, sir. Looking real good, man. Laying down real good and everything, man. And I'm going to keep rolling. See right here, you got to keep rolling, guys. You got to keep rolling it. You got to keep rolling it in certain areas. And you got to be very careful. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You want your Actually, the whole thing you want to roll down real nice and good. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned, man. Like, share, subscribe. Drop something in the comments, man. And don't forget to book your appointment. Let's get it.
Oh.